but for any of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. In today's video, I'm installing this beautiful blonde wig right here. Okay, if you watch my channel thoroughly and if you review any of the videos with me wearing blonde hair, I'm always shaky, I'm always nervous, I'm very anxious when it comes to blonde. But this blonde showed out. I actually really like this. The ashiness to it, it's just like, it's the right toned out level. You feel me? It's giving. Okay, so today's unit comes from iDefineWigs. I do want to say huge shout out and thank you to them for sending over today's wiggy. So if you guys are interested in seeing the installation process, hearing what I think about the unit, all that good stuff, make sure you continue to watch. I will have a direct link in the description bar below so you can purchase this exact same wig. Please note that the unit did not come like this. I did cut it a little bit, style it up a little bit. So make sure you watch the whole video out so you'll know what you're purchasing before you purchase, of course. So let's go ahead and jump into it. And before we do so, please make sure you subscribe and follow me on my other socials. They're on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's jump into the video. Blonde bob action. Alright, so this is what we're looking like right now. I did go off camera and just flatten the roots out with my hot comb and put makeup right here in the parting space, but that's literally all I did. I didn't do anything else. So oh, and I also just straightened out the end. So this is what the unit looks like out of the packaging and installed. But I'm feeling like I want to cut it. Okay, it stops here. It's stopping here, but I want it to stop like up here. So I'm gonna give you guys like a 360 before I cut it, because I'm definitely gonna cut it some. The back might not be straight into perfection, so don't judge. So it's a really pretty wig. So this is a beautiful blonde wig. It installed really well, as you guys can see. I didn't do any edges or anything like that on baby hairs, but I like it like this, but I'm gonna cut it. All right, so makeup is done. Now we're going to do a slight chop situation. So as you see, it's stopping just a little long for me. So I do want it to be a little bit shorter. I have my close-up mirror right here so I can see what I'm doing. I do want it to be a little bit, yeah, like right there. It's really pretty the length that it is, but I want it a little bit shorter. Yeah, like that. See? Isn't that so much cuter than this side? I like it. Now we just have to hope that the rest of the hair is going to turn out looking like that. But see how much better that looks? Oh, I love it. So far, so good, y'all. See how much better that already looks? But just so we see my vision. You see my vision? This is what we're going for. I like it so far. This is good. This is real good. We gotta make sure it's even over. I gotta go get the back off camera. The cut just added some pizzazz to this. Wow. Not me feeling blonde. Y'all know I be scared with blonde. This hair is real nice. I like this one. Alright you guys, so that ends today's tutorial, installation process, review, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. I would love to hear it. Thank you again to iDefineWigs for sending over today's wig. And I'm about to head out the door, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.